Get behind the canoe. Come on.
I'm waiting for everybody to get in position, Kevin.
Shooting with 30-06?
Yeah.
Nice. Legal explosives strapped to a propane tank inside of a lawnmower. Fuck, that was loud.
It went right by it, dude. I can see the hole. I was trying to hit the bottom of it. Yeah, erase your videos. Redo.
Don't want them to see you miss.
That's right.
I got all raw footage, man. I don't censor anything.
Safety's up.
Shoot! Man, that was fucking awesome.
The other tractor will have to take the mower deck off and put the explosion under the tractor.
The whole tractor probably fly up in the air. That was badass.
Now I can't put that on Facebook. Holy shit, I didn't mute it.
That was awesome. Gas tank blew right out of it.
Yeah, the gas tank plane out there. What was that flying through the air?
The hood or some kind of side panel.
Hey, watch him. There's my guns right there. The propane tank's gone, Michael.
It is in a million pieces. Oh my god.
I told you it was going to blow the hood off.
Oh yeah, it did.
It's smoldering.
That ain't a whole lot of dirt.
Oh my god.
And it's smoking.
Oh, sweet. Dude, look at the concussion. It even folded the metal.
Look what it did to the gas tank. Blew the gas tank apart.
That was very cool.
The hood was just floating through the air.
It was definitely a good
That's pretty
60
heavy,
foot
dude.
in the air.
It weighs probably 25 pounds. No.
Shoot that first.
No. I shot. I don't know where I shot. I thought I could see right through it, though. It was my first shot.
Can I have this?
Yeah, you can have that.